guys, today's video, top speed run on the 2021 CRF110. Top speed wise, I'm guessing it's gonna go around 50, just kind of my ballpark guess. A lot of these bikes are around somewhere between the 40 to 55 range, depending on gearing. This one is stock gearing, no modifications done, OEM everything. So we'll see what it does. Like I said, I'm guessing 50. Mike, what do you got?
Yeah, it should do high 40s for sure, right?
Yeah.
High 40s, maybe touch 50, depending on how hard you wind it out. We'll see how that goes.
Wind her out. But yeah, let us know your guesses in the comments, guys, before you see the actual top speed. But should be a good one.
Time to hit the road?
Let's hit the road, Jack. Wide open the entire time, guys. We got a car coming. Go one more here. Wide open the entire time.
Let's see if the DigiHUD did its job.
Please work. 46.
What does it look like sideways? Is there any decimals?
No.
No?
Yeah, 46.
Oh, heck yeah.
Not bad.
Let's see that one more time.
Let's see if we can get a...
Let's see if we can. Yep, you guys can see that.
And that was like, I mean, I was probably wide open fourth before that driveway even. And I was just holding her.
Oh, I forget it's a 4-speed.
Yeah. All right, guys, that's it for this video, but let's see how this thing stacks up against something else. Let's, what do you think? You want to run your SSR 125 against it?
Oh, yeah. Yeah, I'll give it a whirl.
I heard he wants to get dog walked.
I mean, I don't know. The old China bike might take care of this 110.
She might. If you enjoy videos like this, guys, make sure to smash the like button, subscribe. We're always doing pit bike videos and all different kinds of content. So if you enjoy it, consider hitting the like button. If not, we appreciate you just watching.